YouTube, somebody boy back with another dark ass POV, and today I'm giving y'all a night POV. I actually got one in the vault that I haven't given to y'all, and right now I'm on the way to South Carolina, and I'm thinking going this way, there's a tunnel. It's not a big enough tunnel, but fuck it. Now, that sounds amazing. So that's the title. If you saw that, you might as well watch the rest of the video. I'm heading towards downtown because I gotta go through downtown to get to downtown to get to Columbia. And y'all are gonna get a beautiful city night drive. I lied, I don't go through that part of downtown for y'all to get that. It's dark as hell. And there's the popo. So let's let's turn it on to make sure we safe. Damn. Somebody done got wrecked. They caught up one of them. Which one is it? I don't know. Oh, it's probably just construction. Oh, that's a wreck right there. So it must have been a multiple car collision. Y'all, this is a problem. I can't find my GoPro. I have no clue where it is. I feel like I might have left it in South Carolina last time I went. And I left my laptop charger. So hopefully they there. Because I done figured out the GoPro settings so where I can use it in a good way. And I don't even know where it is. And the head mount for the phone, the phone is too heavy. It's gonna be hurting my head. I would get y'all some pulls, but as y'all see, all these these cops around. And it's a charger back there. And I don't like any charger when I can see it from in front, because it can be a cop, it could be anything. I don't think it's a cop. Oh, no, it ain't a cop. It's the weak ass regular charger. So y'all, I just filled up to go back to South Carolina, and I don't drive like a damn maniac. Look at my mileage. 299. That's actually 298, and that's not bad. But it'll probably stay at 299 until I get to Augusta, which is I'm capping. It'll stay pretty high because them highway miles catch up and like take it away from the shit, like take away from the city driving. My windshield tinted, but I don't know how I'm gonna do with that. Like, I don't really like it for real. But I haven't been in a tinted windshield in the dark. Like, this would be straight. But in a dark road or a back road, then I'd be pretty cooked. So okay, a little Benz going crazy. Hitting the brakes, trying to tell me my lights ain't on, but they are on. Bro, this is why I fucking hate waves. Get the fuck out the way. Had to get y'all a little pull, you feel me? If you watching this and you don't have a Camaro, I'm telling you, I would get one if I was you. Don't matter. The 1SS, 2SS, I mean, the 2SS is more luxurious. Like, you get all the little fancy things, but you get the same engine. Now, you get the same engine as the LT1 too, but you literally get nothing. You get the V6 body, the V6 interior, all that. You just get a V8 engine. But if you don't care about none of that, then get the LT1 because it's gonna be the same. You gonna have a nice sound. You're not gonna have this dash though. It's gonna look like a damn. You see that? You gonna have a damn Chevy Malibu dash, and that looks like shit. Alright, bro. See, I don't be messing with this. Okay. Alright, bro. I'm finna turn this shit off. This shit about to piss me off. Alright. Ain't nobody got their damn laser on. It's crazy. Usually during the daytime when I go this way, bro, it'll be hella car. Bro, what are you doing? Now, who is this riding my ass like this? See, this was wrong, people. Nigga trying to cut up in that regular ass Cherokee. Ain't gonna goddamn fuck the car up. Flip that bitch. Cause he think he in a damn track hawk. Oh, we might hit the tunnels going down here, so I could give y'all way better tunnel shit. Now I'm about to put this in just one. It's in 0.5 right now, but like, look at the city. Oh shit. My windshield look dirty, but look at this. Oh, there we go. That looks mesmerizing. Is that the right word? Ah. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful, guys? Look at that. Looks like a damn. I don't know if we're gonna hit tunnels. I feel like we should, but see, these the type of cars I don't like. These, okay, I don't know if that's a cop or not. I don't like any cars that be looking like cop cars. If you buy a car and it looks like a cop car, you deserve jail time. Shit, I gotta get over. I'm tripping right now. Where that tunnel's at, man? Ah, here goes one. Nah, this ain't a tunnel. Yeah, this ain't a tunnel. It's a tunnel, but it ain't no tunnel. I thought I was a Lambo right there. Ah, here's a tunnel. Gosh, that junk's so loud and windy. See, now it's a car behind me, close as hell. Probably like, this nigga tail lights ain't on. But if you get closer, it makes it look like the tail light's not on because your light's shining on my tail. Now, if you're not shining on my tail, you can see the lights on a little bit if you got common sense. But a lot of people don't. But I'm about to get out the city now, and I'm gonna focus more on my driving. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next car video, and I'm out. Peace.